Hey guys, today we're going to learn a new feature of SQL. It's somewhat advanced, but don't worry about it. It's going to be fine. It's basically adding another column to our table, and then we're just going to update some values of it. So it shouldn't be that long today. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so we have our example file. Let's start the SQL3 example. Okay, let's look at our data. Okay, let's print our schema as well. All right, cool. Let's go. There is this feature in order to add the table, the column to our table, there's this keyword called alter table. Basically alter, like change, table, animals, it's our table. And what do you want to do? We want to add column. Let's say add, let's say what do we want to add? Let's add the age to our animals table because we want to know the age of our animals, right? So let's say alter table animals add age, and now we want to, so first we want to specify like the column name and then the type of our column, integer, let's say, because it's an age. Okay, so now let's see, let's look at our table again. That's weird. You don't see our age. Actually, if you look closely, you can see that before our table was ending with red, white, and nothing else. Now we have this pipe. What this pipe tells us is saying that, all right, the color now is not the last column. There's more going on there. It's just the problem is the value is empty here. We could have implemented the alter table a little bit differently, where we say, okay, set the default value, but then the statement will be more complicated. I think this was a good choice to use this statement. All right, so now let's say we want to, one thing I want to show you is that schema is actually different now. There you go. You see before the schema didn't have a age, now it has a age integer. Okay, so now let's add some ages to our table. Let's say update. Yeah, we haven't covered this other function as well. So basically, let's say if you want to, let's imagine there's 0 here, right, over here. And this file is here, there's 0. Let's say we want to update it from 0 to be some other number. So there is this keyword called update. Update, yeah, update. Our table name again, update animals. We want to set age. And again, pay attention on this capitalized keywords. That means keywords. Let's see, set age, let's say 13. And now we're gonna say who we're setting this age to. Let's say where animal ID is equal to, let's set it to Robert. Yeah, let's set it to 1. Okay, now let's see if we have our age. Here you go, 13. All right, let's quickly set everyone else's ages. Let's make Alice very young. You can also set it by name Alice, and then let's make Rocky 8 years old. But let's set his name by color. Red. We have 2 reds. Yeah, let's set it by name as well. Or like, let's do it right. Just set it by ID. Okay, let's see what we have. All right, we got select animals. Yeah, we got everybody's ages. Now that we have ages, we can do much more advanced functions that we'll learn in the next lesson.